Imagine a world where all farming tasks are done manually. It would take forever, wouldn't it? Now, let's shift our perspective to the colossal machines that have shaped the landscape of modern agriculture. These are the giants of the field, the heavy-duty machinery that have revolutionized farming and have become essential to our everyday lives. Think about the vast expanses of farmland, the golden waves of grain, the lush green fields of vegetables, the orchards heavy with fruit. To plant, tend, and harvest these crops on such a large scale, we rely on the power and efficiency of heavy agricultural machinery. These machines are the backbone of the farming industry, enabling us to feed nations. In the past, farming was a labor-intensive endeavor. Plowing a single acre of land could take an entire day or more. Today, with the aid of heavy machinery, that same acre can be plowed in less than an hour. This dramatic increase in efficiency has not only made farming more productive, but also more sustainable. These machines have brought a level of precision to farming that was unimaginable in the pre-mechanization era. They plant seeds at the right depth, deliver the exact amount of fertilizer, and harvest crops at the perfect time. This precision farming minimizes waste, maximizes yield, and ultimately ensures that the food we eat is of the highest quality. Moreover, heavy machinery has transformed farming into a year-round activity. With these machines, farmers can work in all kinds of weather and throughout all seasons, ensuring a steady supply of food for the world's ever-growing population. But let's not forget about the people behind these machines: the farmers, the operators, the engineers who design, build, and maintain these machines. They are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly to keep the wheels of agriculture turning. So next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the heavy machinery that made it possible. These are not just machines, they are the lifelines of modern agriculture. Without these heavy-duty, hard-working machines, modern agriculture as we know it would be impossible. When we think of farming, what's the first machine that comes to mind? For many, it's the tractor. Tractors are the workhorses of the agricultural world, a quintessential symbol of farming. They've been around since the late 19th century, but they're far from outdated. In fact, tractors have continuously evolved and adapted to meet the ever-changing needs of agriculture. So let's delve into the different types of tractors that help keep our farms functional. Firstly, we have the compact utility tractors. These are smaller in size but pack a punch with their versatility. They're perfect for tasks like landscaping, small-scale plowing, and hauling. Moving up in size, we've got the utility tractors. These are the all-rounders used for plowing, tilling, and harvesting. They're the most common type of tractor seen on farms across the globe. Then there are the specialized tractors, like row crop tractors, designed for navigating through tight rows of crops, and orchard tractors, built lower to avoid damaging tree branches. Now, let's take a quick look under the hood. The main parts of a tractor include the engine, transmission, and the hydraulics. The engine provides the power, the transmission controls the speed and direction, and the hydraulics lift and lower implements. Over the years, tractors have seen tremendous advancements. They've gone from simple steam-powered machines to high-tech powerhouses with GPS navigation and automated systems. Modern tractors can even be programmed to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for manual labor. Tractors are not just machines. They're a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to make work easier and more efficient. They bridge the gap between man and the vast expanse of agricultural land, bringing food from farm to table. With every roar of the engine and turn of the wheel, tractors embody the spirit of agriculture. They're the silent partners of farmers, working tirelessly from dawn till dusk. The tractor, the backbone of the farm, is truly a marvel of engineering. Now, let's turn our attention to the tools that shape the land: plows and cultivators. Plows and cultivators, the unsung heroes of the agricultural world, are the very foundation of farming. These tools are the first step in the process of growing crops, preparing the soil, and creating the perfect environment for planting. Let's start with plows. Harking back to the dawn of agriculture, plows have been used for thousands of years to break up and turn over the soil. By doing this, they bring fresh nutrients to the surface, bury crop residues and weeds, and improve the soil's ability to retain moisture. Today's plows, much like their ancient counterparts, are designed to cut deep into the earth, turning over layers of soil to reveal the fertile ground beneath. But while plows are fantastic at preparing large areas of land quickly, they can sometimes be a bit rough around the edges. That's where cultivators come in. Cultivators are the finesse to the plow's force. They are used after plowing to further break up the soil and remove any remaining weeds. By creating a fine, crumbly soil structure, cultivators ensure that seeds have the best possible conditions for germination and growth. But that's not all cultivators do. They're also used throughout the growing season to control weeds. By disturbing the soil around the plants, cultivators disrupt the growth of weeds, giving the crops the best chance of flourishing. So while plows and cultivators may seem similar, they each have their unique roles. Plows are the heavy lifters, breaking up and turning over the soil to prepare the land for planting. Cultivators, on the other hand, add the finishing touches, creating a fine tilth and keeping the weeds at bay. Together, these two tools form a dynamic duo, working in tandem to create the perfect conditions for a bumper crop. These machines, though often overlooked, have a significant role in ensuring a successful harvest. Once the land is ready, it's time for the next step, sowing the seeds. With the landscape prepared, we now move on to the fascinating world of planters and seed drills. These machines are the unsung heroes of the agricultural world, bringing precision and efficiency to the planting process. Let's start with planters. These machines are like the skilled artists of the farming world, meticulously placing seeds into the soil at just the right depth and spacing. Using an intricate system of belts, gears, and tubes, planters can accurately distribute seeds across a wide area, ensuring that every seed has its own space to grow and flourish. Now, let's talk about seed drills, the cousins of the planters. Where planters are the artists, seed drills are the efficient workers, sowing seeds in straight, neat rows. The seed drill's invention was a revolutionary moment in agricultural history. Before its advent, seeds were scattered by hand, a method that was both time-consuming and wasteful. With a seed drill, however, seeds are planted at a uniform depth and spacing, reducing waste and increasing yield. Both planters and seed drills are marvels of engineering, capable of handling different types of seeds, from the tiny lettuce seeds to the larger corn kernels. They are also adaptable, able to work with different soil types and conditions. The beauty of these machines lies in their precision. Every seed is given its own space, its own chance to grow. This precision not only maximizes yield, but also conserves resources. Fewer seeds are wasted, less fertilizer is needed, and less water is used. It's a win-win situation for both the farmer and the environment. Without these machines, the task of planting would be laborious and time-consuming. But with planters and seed drills, the process is transformed into a symphony of efficiency and precision. With these machines, farmers can plant an entire field in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. And when it's time to reap what we've sown, we turn to our heroes of the harvest, combines and harvesters. These pieces of heavy machinery are the stars of the show when it comes to the final act of the farming process. They step onto the stage when the crops have grown tall and ripe, ready to be collected and processed. Combines and harvesters are the all-in-one answer to the age-old question of how to quickly and efficiently gather crops from vast fields. And what a sight they are. Combines, so named because they combine the three separate harvesting operations of reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process, are the epitome of farming efficiency. They glide through fields, their large cutting heads cleanly slicing through stalks, while their intricate internal mechanisms separate the grain from the chaff. Harvesters, on the other hand, are the specialized champions of specific crops. From potato harvesters burrowing into the earth to fruit harvesters reaching into the skies, they each play a unique role in bringing our food from the field to the table. These machines not only streamline the harvesting process, but they also significantly reduce labor needs. Instead of countless hours spent toiling under the sun, farmers can now oversee the process from the comfort of a machine cabin. Indeed, these machines, the crowning jewels of agricultural machinery, make the hard work of harvesting a breeze. So, we've taken a journey through the world of heavy agricultural machinery. We've seen the might of tractors, the precision of plows and cultivators, the efficiency of planters and seed drills, and the raw power of combines and harvesters. Each of these machines plays a vital role in modern farming, transforming the way we cultivate and harvest our food. These machines, the powerhouses of agriculture, are the unsung heroes that keep our world fed and flourishing.